How to update Facebook app on Android. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to update Facebook app on Android. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to the Play Store, App Store, depending what device you have. So just head over to Play Store, and then from there just click on the search bar right here. Search for Facebook, so let's search for Facebook and click on this. And in here you can see your Facebook account. So click on this Facebook and you can just see in here an update button if your Facebook account is not updated. Another method that you can do is to click on your profile icon right here and then head over to manage apps and device. So click on that, and in here you can see unmanaged, so just click on manage right here. Click on updates available, and if you see Facebook right there, just click on this checkbox and then update them. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to update Facebook app on Android. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.